How to burn belly fat in 3 days. Without diet and exercises. For this, we will need green tea bags. Green tea helps burn body fat quickly. We will need a bag of green tea. Pour it into a cup. Then we add boiling water. Now take a lemon. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Lemon will help to dissolve stubborn belly fat. Then mix the ingredients well. What is the way to drink it? Drink a warm cup every day before breakfast. In just 3 days, you will notice the difference. After 7 days, your belly will be thin and flat. And you will lose 7 kilos in 7 days without diet. Because this drink will suppress your appetite. Keep drinking it until you get the desired results. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more useful contents. Thank you for watching.